This is going to be a different storm, and it hit Florida. Florida was already fractured with their insurance, and they were having a lot of carriers already going insolvency and different things, and a lot of big carriers pulling out or being very strategic of where they actually write that policy. So it was already in a very fractured state, and this storm, being a Cat 4 and being as big as it was, it covered 200-300 miles wide by 200-300 miles long. That's a lot of devastation. The carriers estimate this loss is going to be $30, $40, $50 billion, whatever the number comes out to. What that tells us and tells the market is that that's what the carriers are allocating for this storm, and they're prepared to pay that. Once that money does run out, now they have to go back and get from their reinsurance more money, so that it starts to squeeze a little bit. So the advice would be to get everything you can now before it goes down the different channels, because the different channels, unfortunately, is litigation.
So we love metal roofing. I've personally seen what it looks like after a storm. I got to go in that area and see what the devastation looked like. I have photos of a standing seam metal roof right next to what used to be a shingle roof. And it's what I promote as far as longevity, integrity, something that's going to last and be as beautiful as it was the day it was put on. So that's what we really try to do, especially in the coastal areas, for the high wind areas.
Over the years, we've done all types of roofing, but metal has been something that has really gotten more popular with the consumer. We're asked about it almost on every roofing call that we go on. Some homes need other products for deed restrictions or something like that, but there are a lot of folks out there that really want to explore the metal options. So partnering with Tri-County has given us the ability to be able to offer a lot of different products that will meet their needs.
My name's Paul Mello, and I operate and own Wild Roofing LLC in Bradenton, Florida. Yeah, Mark Brown has been really helpful in bringing us marketing materials, getting us leads. He's been right on time as far as deliveries go. Any kind of customer service we need, he's been on top of it. Your company is highly recommended by our customers. I've had leads where they said that they've been very pleased with Tri-County Metals. And usually, to be honest with you, most customers we deal with through other products, they don't really care about the manufacturer. So you guys kind of stand out on that end.
So we work hand in hand with contractors because contractors is the staple of our business because they're going to bring a means and methods conversation to us, what needs to happen to make that build happen and get that customer back to pre-loss condition.
We're Kimberly and Michael Palmieri, and we own Tactical Roofing Solutions in Cape Coral, Florida. We do all of your roofing needs. We specialize in metal and tile roofs. Metal being our main one. It holds up very well in this climate. We service from Sarasota to Marco Island. So we did the job up in Nokomis. It is an aluminum standing seam with Kynar finish on it. It does have a 25-year warranty. We went with the aluminum because it still gets a 25-year warranty on that product. So that roof was put on before Hurricane Ian traveled through our town here and hit us ever so nicely.
So Tactical called us in right after the storm, or actually during the storm. Their retail model in their business and how to handle the storm work, how to handle the insurance work. So we help them pull their processes together and implement a little bit of new processes within their model that they can be able to handle the storm work and have resources available for their customers.
Tri-County Metals is really great. Their metal products are really good. My customers are very happy with it. It's very durable, lasts a long time for them. The quality is excellent. Customer service is great.
So the best part of working with Tri-County Metals, even though they're a few hours away from us, it's a family. You know, I have my representative, Chris, that I can call. They care about every project. They care about every contractor as if we're the only contractor that they deal with. The materials are sent on time. The drivers, anybody who drops them off, we always come up with a plan to put them in the right spot. The materials are crated properly. You know, homeowners tell us all the time, thank you for having everything organized. It's not all over my yard. From the CAD department to the customer experience department, everything just works flawlessly, and it's just an easy system to work through that if anyone's not working with Tri-County Metals, I highly recommend it.